and today we are making Dijon mustard salad dressing. First, you'll need Dijon mustard, honey, olive oil, and a slice of lemon. First, you'll need to put the mustard in a mixing bowl. Put 1 spoon of Dijon mustard in the bowl. Now let's squeeze a little bit of lemon. Now we put a pinch of honey. Now careful with the olive oil. This part's tricky. You add a little bit at a time. Let's first mix this up. You want it to be nice and smooth. If you don't think it's liquid enough, then you can add some water. And there is your Dijon mustard salad dressing.